David, I know you're out there gathering information. For folks at home who are just joining us, our 4 o'clock newscast started early as we have this breaking news on the campus of Seattle Pacific University. What you're seeing right now is police officers and medics on the scene getting ready. They're getting ready to triage. They are putting some gear on. We don't know exactly what situation they're walking into. Here is what we do know. There has been a shooting on campus. Police are telling us 4 people have been shot. They are treating at least 4 victims right now, 2 of which David, who is on the scene there, has been able to see in the last little while. They are en route to Harborview. We also have our crews at Harborview standing by, but we're going to stay with this shot. As anything happens at Harborview, we'll make sure to let you know. Most importantly right now, though, is there is a second shooter that police are looking for. We are hearing they have 1 in custody, but they are looking for a second suspect. A white man, long sleeve blue shirt, vertical stripes, and is armed and dangerous. You can see police there with 1 man who is barefoot. Don't know exactly the situation here. It looks like they're questioning him, possibly.
He looks like he could be a college-age student. It looks like he has a scrape on his knee, a Band-Aid. Don't know if that was related or not. But to see all these firefighters put on these smocks to prepare for a triage situation on a quiet college campus is obviously a scary, scary thing. The good news is right now all the people that you see in the foreground as we watch that student be escorted by paramedics, they're all standing by and they're not treating anybody. So hopefully the number of wounded will stay at 4, or maybe we got some erroneous information that number will potentially go down. Here you see a bunch of students, people who appear to be students, being escorted out of that area. Of course, once again, students were told by text message to shelter in place. Do not leave. If they're in a dorm at the time, stay there. If they're inside a classroom at the time, stay there. We got reports of a bunch of students in the library. They're sheltering in place. But what a scary day on campus for all these students now looking to police for guidance.
Absolutely. This again happened in Otto Miller Hall, and we had a student who is in one of the dorms there, attends class. It's a small school, about 4,000 students. And a lot of classes happen in that building. This is a busy day. As Matt mentioned, finals are next week, so they're finishing up projects. They're taking some tests. They're studying. We do know some students are in the library on lockdown. They are also in the dorms on lockdown. So kids, if you're out there, make sure to send a message to your parents and let them know that you're okay and where you are. Of course, this is a developing situation. Again, you're looking at the police who are ready to triage. They just geared up. And I assume they are trying to go room to room to identify if everybody is okay, let them out if there are any injuries, and prepare for that. Again, Harborview is on standby. They do have a couple of patients that they are transporting there that we do know were on scene. Harborview is the best place you want to go in a situation like this. They are a level 3 trauma center. They are ready and prepared anytime a situation like this happens. They do drills on this. They are ready to go, and they get the first call when there are multiple victims involved in a situation like this.